Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a mirror hotel and restaurant map by MXC scripts into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is a map which you are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. When you click over here, you can see the preview video of the map. You just have to click over here and get the map into your CFX portal and download the map. Make sure to use this coupon code to get discount on your purchase. After your purchase, you will receive these 3 files into your CFX portal. You just have to download them all. After downloading the files, we have to extract them into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting them over here. Just like this. Now let's open the MXC mirror folder. Go to optionals. So this is a feature of pole springs. If you want to add this, you just have to open this folder. Then copy this file from here. Then open the stream folder. Location. Exterior, then paste that file over here. Replace it. Just like this. Now open the scripts folder, then config.lua. This is the small configuration of the script over here. As you can see, you can customize it or change anything if you want according to your use. So I'll be keeping them default for now. Now before starting up the server, make sure to download the dependency of the script, which is utility_lib. You just have to click on code and download the script. After downloading it, we have to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now rename the file and remove the main from the name. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and over here you can see this is the mirror restaurant and hotel which we just installed into our FiveM server. And this is the location in the map over here, as you can see. So now let's get inside the hotel. So this is the reception of the hotel over here, as you can see. This is the reception room over here. So this is the manager's room. So let's get inside the restaurant. So this is the restaurant over here, as you can see. This is the counter area of the restaurant. And this is the kitchen of the restaurant. Over here, this is the storage room. Now let's get over here. This is a swimming pool of the hotel over here, as you can see. Now let's go over here. From here, we can access the hotel. So you can see this is a list of hotel rooms in the mirror restaurant. So this is the floor number 0 of the hotel over here. Now let's check out the rooms of the hotel. So this is a look of the rooms inside the hotel over here. And this is the bathroom of the hotel. Now let's go to other floors of the hotel. So to access the elevator, we have to use a target eye over here, then click on call elevator. Now the elevator will show up over here. As you can see. Now let's go to the top floor. So over here you can see the animation and the mechanics of the elevator feel realistic, as you can see. So now we are on the 4th floor over here. Now let's check out the room of the 4th floor. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.